Today, we're learning how to divide numbers when the answer isn't a whole number. That's right, we're talking about decimal answers. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Let's start with 17 divided by 4. Step 1. Divide the whole number. Let's start by asking, how many times does 4 fit into 17? We know that 4 times 4 equals 16, so 4 fits into 17 4 whole times. We can't fit another 4 into 17 because 4 times 5 would be 20, and that's too much. So, we write 4 as the first part of our answer. Now, we subtract 16 from 17. That leaves us with 1. This one is called the remainder because it is what's left after dividing 17 into groups of 4. At this point, we could say that our answer is 4 remainder 1, but we want to write our answer in decimal form. Let's continue with step 2. Now we have a remainder of 1, but 4 cannot go into 1, and there are no more digits left to bring down. So, what do? Since we want our answer in decimal form, we place a decimal point after the 4 in our answer. Then, we add a 0 after the remainder of 1. This turns the 1 into 10, which allows us to keep dividing. Now we ask, how many times does 4 go into 10? It goes in 2 times, because 2 times 4 equals 8. So we write 2 after the decimal point in our answer. Our answer is now 4.2. Next, we subtract 8 from 10. This leaves us with a new remainder of 2. We're not finished yet, so let's keep going. Complete the division. We still have a remainder of 2, so we need to keep dividing. Just like before, we add another 0 to the remainder. This turns the 2 into 20. Now we ask again, how many times does 4 go into 20? It goes in exactly 5 times, because 5 times 4 equals 20. So we write 5 as the next digit in our answer, right after the 2. Our answer is now 4.25. Finally, we subtract 20 from 20, which gives us 0. There is no remainder left, so our division is complete. That means 17 divided by 4 equals 4.25. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to watch our other videos. See you next time!